guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a MELODYSUSIE haul for you guys. So they asked if I wanted to try out, it is their lamp and drill combo. So let me stick that over to the side. Ooh, that is a nice heavy lamp. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for that. Let me get all this stuff out. So this is one of those like curing lamps, like, you know, you like do this and do this. So currently I have a cheap one from Amazon which works great, that clamps to my desk, so it's just stuck in one position. So this one would be great to kind of have like over here, like I'm doing my video up here and then I can come in and cure down here and I'm still in the picture, if you know what I mean. And it's a desk one. Okay, nailed it, literally. That's what this is. Now it's off, so it's a touch even. Okay, so I can literally have it on. Now we're on. So now we have it on UV, and now we have it on LED. I'm gonna flip that around. Do you see the blue light or purple light, however you wanna do it? Off, on, which they say is a UV, and then LED. So this is a flash cure lamp, and I like that I can just have it on here and then control it with this. So yeah, that I do like a lot, if I'm gonna be honest. This, it's on the desk, it's portable, it's not plugged in, where my other one has to plug in. It's a USB only, and my big strip on the floor has a USB couple slots. So like, it's logistic nightmare. I'm so happy about that. And then it also comes with a e-file, and this is how you control it. They do include a plug, so you're not stuck to just do, you know, USB only. And this is for this guy. So he is a USB-C. More than likely you have USB-C by you, and that's just easy. You can plug either one in. Plug that bad boy in. Hold it to turn it on. Forward, reverse, easy. You can see the light. I hope you can see it. So now we're on forward. So let's hear it. So my assumption is that's going to be a 20,000 RPM e-file, which is not going to be good for acrylic or really any enhancements. It's just for the natural nail. Yeah, and this is a pressure one, which you guys know, not my favorite, like at all. So for me, not the best, but let's see how well it works. Okay, so maxed out at 20. I tested a different e-file, so let's do this one. So that is, again, like I predicted, it's going to be a natural nail or gel polish only e-file. You're not really going to be able to use this on enhancements, especially not acrylic. This won't even do anything to acrylic. It barely took any of the builder gel off. So this will just be gel polish, which is essentially what I was filing off, which was that heart design. And then it was just top coated and then stamped. So all it did was take that off, and I did have to apply quite a bit of pressure. So on your natural nail, it will be fine. You don't have to worry about that. For enhancements, I don't think this is the e-file for you. They give you a ton of fine sanding bands, which are my favorite. And then they give you a bunch of extra coarse along with some diamond bits. So the bits they give you pretty much indicate also that this is not for your enhancements. It's more for a natural nail, because diamond bits are for your skin around, and also you can prep with those since it's not very abrasive, which is really good for your natural nail. So overall, if you are doing natural nails, like not the Gel X, acrylics, or builder gel, you can absolutely get away with using this e-file. Now this guy is my favorite. I love him. He's heavy, so like you're coming in, you you gotta hit him. So the light for me is a 10 out of 10. Like this is probably the best, like you kind of put your hand under for like Gel X or just applying your tips with gel. 10 out of 10. Absolutely love this, and I cannot wait to try that out. I have a wedding to go to, so I'm not really undoing all of my nails, so I can't actually try it out. But I mean, it flat out tells you, you can see UV LED lights in there. So you know they're doing both. That's what it advertises. And it looks like almost every other tiny little lamp that you get. If you look, you see most of them have those tiny little lights like that. That is UV, and then these guys are gonna be your LED, which is normally a blue color in your lamp. So if you see blue, it's mostly LED. If you see white, it's UV. So this will do both, and I'm happy about that. So I want to thank MELODYSUSIE for sending this over for me to try. I will make sure to link it below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.